Let's make an Amethyst Mojito. "14 mint leaves in the glass. 1 ounce of lime juice in the glass. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of your butterfly pea syrup. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And now I'm going to muddle those in the bottom of the glass. I don't know if you saw the color change. It'll be more evident as I put more stuff in here. Now I'm going to add in some ice. Ooh, splash. I guess I'm only getting 3 cubes in there. 1 ounce of your rum. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And 1 ounce of your rum Agricole. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Now, I'm going to give this a stir and a churn. I think I can get 1 more ice cube in there. Let's do it. 1 more ice cube. Using my hands. My wife is going to drink it. She hasn't complained yet. Top it off with some club soda, and I'm using Schweppes. You can use club soda of your choice. And if you want, give it another little gentle stir. We don't want to lose all the bubbles. Add a straw. Garnish with a sprig of mint. This is what you get for growing in my backyard. And there you have it, an Amethyst Mojito. Drink with good spirits.